All right, first grade friends, it's Tuesday, November 3rd. It's Red Word Day, so make sure you have your red word book and your red writing utensil, and let's get started right away. Just a reminder that next week we're going to stop learning some new red words. We're going to do a little review. I want to know, what do you know? Which ones do we need to go back and work on? So you might want to go back, do a little red word review for next week. They're marked on the end of the slideshow. You can see which words we've done as red words. You're going to want to practice those. We're going to do, I don't want to call it a spelling test, but we're going to do a check-in, see how we are doing on those red words. Did we learn them, or do we need to keep practicing them? All right, remember, a red word is a word that we can't sound out. For one reason or another, we can't sound it out. Or maybe we just haven't learned all of the tools yet to sound it out, but we need to know how to read it now. All right, we're going to do a little review first. We're going to review the words one, have, two, who, and there. So 1 and have were words that we did last week. So everybody stand on your feet. Everybody up. It's really important that we stand. Remember, we've talked about when we stand up, we're going to read the words. We're standing. Our brain has to have us standing. Our brain has to say the letters. The brain has to tap, and the brain has to read. It's doing lots of things, lots of ways to get that word right into our brain. So everybody's standing up. And here we go. We've got the word one. So we're going to look right at the screen. O-N-E, one. Here we go. Arms out. Cross it over. Ready, go. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. Awesome sauce. Here we go. We're going to review the word have. H-A-V-E, have. Here we go, arms out, cross it over. Ready, go. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. Wonderful. Let's do the number two. Remember, this is the number word. T-W-O, two. Here we go, arms out, cross it over. Ready, go. T-W-O, two. T-W-O, two. T-W-O, two. Okay, let's review who. W-H-O, who. All right, arms out, cross it over. Here we go. W-H-O, who. W-H-O, who. W-H-O, who. All right, last review word, there. Remember, we chunked this one together. T-H-E-R-E, there. All right, arms out, cross it over. Here we go. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Awesome. All right, let's keep moving on. Here's our pattern. This is our routine for our red words. Our first red word today is the word use. U-S-E, use. Now, the U we hear just straight out, U. It's the long vowel sound which makes the right sound because we do have a silent E at the end, and the E is making the U tell its name. But that S sounds like a Z. So that makes it a red word for us, use. So on the next new page of your red word book, the one with the big line, please write the word use, U-S-E. Friends, notice that all of our letters are going to start at the midline. At the dotted line, go to the baseline. Don't start at the top. No capital letters, U-S-E, use. Pause the video and write the word use in your very best handwriting. Once you've done that, come on back and we will continue our routine. All right, hopefully you have that word written. It's really important. Now we're going to stand up. Hold that book in front of us. Time for the tapping. Hold it. Your brain has to work hard. You're standing up. You're saying the letters. You're tapping your arm and you're reading the word. 4 things. Your brain's working hard. Here we go. Cross it over. Ready? Go. U-S-E. Use. U-S-E. use. U-S-E, use. All right, let's trace it. So get that finger ready. Where's your reading finger? Where's that pointer finger? Give it a wiggle, give it a bend. Here we go. Remember, your brain's working hard. It's going to trace. It's going to say the letters. It's going to read the word. You need to do all three. Here we go. U, S, E, use. U, S, E, use. U, S, E, use. All right, next step. Time to use your brain. Don't look at the screen. You're going to flip up your page. You're going to write it one time using your best handwriting. Now, you're not only just going to write it, but you're going to say the letters. U-S-E, use. Write it once, check the screen, do a teacher check. Did I spell it correctly? If I did, I'm going to write it 2 more times, going down the paper. I'm not going across, I'm going down like a list. Go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead and write it and then come on back. Okay, we're ready for a sentence. Our sentence goes right down here, right where it says sentence. You can copy my sentence or you can write your own. My sentence says, we will use the sled to go down the path. I tried to get that TH in there because we wanted to use that diagraph, path. Pause the video and either copy my sentence or write your own sentence. You need to use a pencil when writing your sentence and then go back and underline that word use with a red crayon. Pause the video and come back so that we can go on to the next word. All right, we're ready for the next word. Here's our steps. Our next word is the word three. Now, we have that diagraph at the beginning. We have a triple diagraph because that R stays with it. Thir. Now, this is actually a decodable word for us. It's a really important word. One, that's why we're using it as a red word, so we have multiple ways to access this word in our brain, but also because we haven't gotten to the vowel pattern of E-E, making that long E sound. We will in a short amount of time, but I really wanted to make sure that this is a word that we know. So we'll know how to spell the word one and read the word one. We'll know how to spell the word two and read the word two. And now we'll know how to spell the word three and read the word three. So pause the video and I want you to write the word three on the next big single line in your red word book. Now, once you've done that, I want you to also hook together the THR. This is a big one. We want to chunk it into pieces. THR and then your EE. So you're going to swoop the THR together and the EE. Once you've done that, come on back because then we'll tap it out. All right, let's stand up. Time to arm spell it. The paper's in front of us. Remember, our brain is working hard. We are standing, we're tapping, we're reading the letters and reading the word. There's a lot of things going on here to remember. Here we go, our arms out in front of us, cross it over. Here we go. THR, EE, three. THR, EE, three. THR, EE, three. Good. All right, here we go. It's time to finger trace it. Where's your finger? Give it a bend, give it a wiggle. Put it on the T. Now, your paper's right here in front of you. I've got mine up tall just so that you can see what to do. Looking at the letters, tracing the letters, and saying the word. Here we go. THR, EE, three. THR, EE, three. THR, EE, three. Okay, your next step is to pause the video. You're going to flip this up, write it one time using your very best handwriting. Remember, don't just write it, but say the letters. THREE, three. You want to write it, you want to say it, and you want to read it. We got to have 3 different ways to get that into our brain. Write it one time, then come back, look at the screen, make sure you have it correct, and then write it 2 more times down your page like a list. Pause the video and then come back once you've done that. All right, we're ready for our sentence. The sentence goes down here where it says the word sentence. I wanted to make sure I used our other number words in this one, so here is my sentence. I can count 1, 2, and 3. You can use my sentence down here, or you can write your own. Pause the video and write your sentence, and then come back and we will continue. All right, today we learned the word use and the word 3. Your assignment is in the Your Turn practice book on page 82. Continue to practice those words. You can check your work right down here by clicking on the answer key. Continue to practice those sight words. Remember, next week we're going to take some time to review and do some spelling of these words. Which ones do we know and which ones do we need to continue to work on? I've marked the red words that we've done on all of our lists. All right, make sure you also do your phonemic awareness video. This is really important. Click on the link in the presentation, the learning log, or in your Google Classroom. All right, friends, I will see you soon. Bye.